Hi everyone, this is Deb. I'm here with a small project share. I'm in a swap with Polly's Pretties on Polly's Pretties Facebook page, and she does some YouTube videos also Polly's Pretties, but she doesn't do as many lately. So anyway, what the swap was to do 3 memory decks cards, one each for fall, Halloween, and Christmas. So let me show you what I've done. And now, as I do this, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to put this video up until I know Polly gets this, which will probably be the week of the, let me see, 14th, the week of the 14th, early, hopefully in the week of the 14th. I used this die out of these two. And I had bought these are Heidi Swap, and I thought they were the memory decks cards, but it turns out these are supposed to be the like tabs for when you're storing the memory decks. So what I did, because I thought they looked awfully big for memory decks, so what I did is I took and I used it because I wanted this part of it, and you know, like this part was okay, and I just put it off the paper edge, like around here, and then I took my 1-2-3 punch board and did a notch and then cut the rest so it would get the tab. So that's how I made them, and I made them out of thick cardstock, and then I actually backed this one started with craft cardstock, you can see it here. Then I put designer paper on top, and I think that's a Simple Stories paper left over from last year. This is washi. This is a little cut apart from it goes from like here to here from the Simple Stories, and it says fall is my very favorite. And then these are Dollar Tree. They're that, what do they call that? Adhesive diamond wrap, and I got it in the acorns and the leaves, but I used the acorns. I kind of had an acorn thing going on, but I did put some leaves on here too. The squirrel and this little acorn grouping is Jolie's Boutique, and I had just gotten that recently from a garage sale of Jen Evers. This was a brad. I recently got it Tuesday morning. It was in a pack of 6 brads. And then these wooden leaves, I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree also. This I cut out of, I had to cut this paper a little bit, so there was one more acorn on it, and I just fussy cut it. And then this one is that cute little acorn stamp and die. Oops, hang on. Everything's gonna fall. Yep, there it goes. Excuse me. That I had gotten recently. It's Sunny Studio. It's this little acorn, and then there's the little face you can put in it, which I did. And then there's a die to go with it. So I used that, excuse me. Anyway, I used that die. I stamped it in Stampin' Up's Early Espresso ink. I colored it with my light crumb cake Stampin' Blend alcohol marker. And I also used bronze Stampin' Blend alcohol marker for the cap. And then these little leaves were actually, where did I get them recently? I got them somewhere recently. But it's like all these little glitter leaves. Let me see, where was it? Dollar Tree? I didn't think it was Dollar Tree. It was somewhere. I got one thing one day. I can't remember. I'm sorry guys, I can't remember. Anyway, they were in a bag. I'll have to go back through my hauls and see where I got them, but there was a bag of little leaf things. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them on here actually. And that's it for that one. This guy is bumped up on dimensionals. The leaf already has some dimension. The brad has some dimension, obviously. And actually these 2 stickers already had dimension as well. So I thought it turned out pretty good. So that's that one. For Halloween, here's what I did. I had some leftover papers last year. They were scraps from when I did the Halloween altered book. And so this was from that, and I think this is just black cardstock. It's not Stampin' Up, and I think that was left over from last year too. So before I put this on, I took this ribbon that I had just gotten at Walmart on clearance for 50 cents, the roll of ribbon. Isn't that perfect for Halloween? And it's, I didn't realize it, but it's solid opaque and then sheer on the other side of the glittery green stripe. So that's cool. So what I did is I did that, what I usually do in cards, and I just glued it down on the back of the first bit, and then and this started as a white index card, and then I did 2 papers on top of that, and I did ink all around the edges with distress ink. Let's see, which one is it? Black Soot Distress Ink. And these blings I had in my stash, I don't remember where I got them, but they're like a sort of a deep purple black kind of thing, so they're perfect for Halloween. This is washi tape that I bought not too long ago. I think there's 2 in it, and one says Witch's Best Friend and the other one has the black cat sitting by the pumpkins, and I can't even tell what that is. Black cat in a pumpkin? I don't know. And then just yeah, it just repeats. And then this is that meshy stuff. It's Dollar Tree, I know it is, and it came in green and orange and stuff, and this is just the green one, and I doubled it over a couple times and glued it down. And then this is a glitter spider web I just got it Tuesday morning not long ago. This was in my stash, which was probably either Walmart or Dollar Tree, not sure. Same with this one. And then this Happy Halloween I actually just got in a haul, which I'm going to have a separate haul video up on today, which is, what is today? Friday. Those are Doodles cardstock stickers, and I didn't know the words actually pulled up. I thought they were strips with the word on it, but that's okay. So I pulled them up and I glued them down, sort of wonky. And yeah, I think it turned out alright. And then I had this little scrap of this ribbon left, so I just put it up here on the tab. And I think that came out pretty cute, pretty sparkly and cute as Halloween goes. And then the last one was Christmas. So this one looks like this. And this one, I started here with a white card base. You can see it sticking out here. I put a piece of the new collage paper from Tim Holtz 2019 Christmas, which I just got from my, if you look at my Jen Evers haul, it's in a roll. So I unrolled it, and I just actually just glued that down with a glue stick. And I'm not a big glue stick proponent, but this is what I used, washable school glue. So I hope it holds. I didn't feel like using Mod Podge and waiting for it to dry. I was lazy today. This was in my stash. I think these came from Target, these wooden snowflakes with buttons already on them. This I'm pretty sure is Dollar Tree bling that has, it's adhesive backed. It's either that or Michael's, and I cut it and put it across the bottom because the paper ended there, and I took this is Doodle, what do I call that? Doodle Bug Designs twine. It came in like 4 different colors on a spool kind of thing. Not really a spool, but a flat spool. What are they called? I forget. Anyway, I cut that way too long. I had a piece left over, and it almost just perfectly fit here. I actually just had to cut a little bit off the edge. So I used that as a border. This sticker was in my stash, so again, probably either Dollar Tree, or I'm pretty sure it's Dollar Tree, or Target maybe. This bow had been gifted to me by Charlisa's Crafty Corner. Hi Lisa, thank you. That was, she had done a red and black loaded bag, and she gave me red, black, and red and white checkered ribbons in with that. And then this is felt ribbon, I think also Dollar Tree. And then just these I think are Dollar Tree maybe also, or Target. They actually have little holes on them to hang them, but I didn't hang it. I just glued it onto this flagged banner. This is a piece of the paper that I have on the back. I had used that, that's from a paper pad I had used in July, for Christmas in July, when we had to do pink Christmas. The back of this paper is pink. So I had some scrap left and I used that, and I had a little piece here and I flagged that, and then this is a piece of Stampin' Up! Real Red from my scrap bin, and I flagged the two together, put it up on dimensionals, and then glued this down onto there. This is just put down with a glue dot and then just some bling, and I think these were Bow Bunny blings that I had gotten at Tuesday morning, all of these three. Last year or the year before, I can't remember. And that's it. So we were only supposed to put our information on one. I did actually, though, just down in the corner put DA Haupt 2019, but I think I put my information on this one. Yes, I did, on the fall one. So those are my Memory Decks cards. I hope you like them, and they'll be going out probably tomorrow morning, which is Saturday the 12th, but they definitely will go. I have a lot of stuff I have to mail, and I know that's the last possible day we're supposed to mail them, but they're gonna go to you, and I'll send you the tracking number, which you already will have had them by the time I'm saying this, so to you all. So anyway, hope you liked them. That was fun. I have to say, I really enjoyed making these. I didn't use a lot of Stampin' Up! Product, and it was fun going into my stash, which is way too much stuff, and using some different things. I really thoroughly enjoyed that, so for all the seasons. So thank you for that, Polly, and for the rest of you, I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.